The user coordinate system is helpful when working with designs that have areas with unique non-orthogonal orientations. After completing this video, you'll be able to define a custom user coordinate system, save and restore a user coordinate system, manage a coordinate system's origin and rotation for specific project conditions. AutoCAD's World Coordinate System is the default coordinate system and provides a fixed frame of reference for all objects in the drawing. The User Coordinate System, or UCS for short, can be thought of as a customizable coordinate system that allows you to define a new coordinate system in addition to the default World Coordinate System. The UCS is a tool that enables you to draw and manipulate objects in 2D or 3D space more easily. A custom UCS can have its own base point and its own rotation. As a result, when a custom UCS is current, it will affect a number of behaviors in your drawing. How ortho behaves, how blocks are inserted, how annotation is inserted, etc. Open the floor plan sample drawing provided in the dataset. First, let's make sure AutoCAD is set up to easily work with coordinate systems. Click on the Ribbons View tab, and if the Coordinates panel is not displayed, right-click anywhere on the ribbon, click Show Panels, click Coordinates. This panel contains all the tools needed to work with coordinate systems. In this drawing, in the upper right-hand corner of the floor plan, there are a set of cubicles that are angled to align with the entrance. Having a coordinate system that's aligned with this area of the floor plan will make it easier to work in and around those office spaces. The coordinate system icon is displayed in the lower left corner of the floor plan. It provides a visual reference of the current coordinate system's base point as well as its orientation. If you position your cursor over the UCS icon, its color changes. When you right-click, you're presented with a menu containing a number of UCS-related commands. Let's use this method to assign a new origin for the UCS. Select Origin from the menu, zoom to the cubicle numbered 6090, and pick the back corner of his desk. This establishes a new base point for this coordinate system. The UCS icon displays at that new base point. The drawing's base point, which is the same as the World Coordinate System base point, has not been changed. In addition to using the right-click menu, you can also manipulate the UCS icon directly. Select the UCS icon, then click on the circular grip at the end of the X-axis. Rotate the UCS to align with the back of the desk. Note that your crosshairs as well as the UCS icon are now rotated to reflect the new coordinate system's orientation. The UCS icon's grips are multifunctional. If you hover over any of them, AutoCAD displays additional UCS-related functions. Having the UCS icon display at its base point can sometimes cause the icon to get lost in a congested plan. To remedy this, you can choose to always display the UCS icon in the lower left corner of the canvas instead of at its origin. Right-click on the icon and select UCS Icon Settings and uncheck the Show UCS Icon at Origin option. Note that the coordinate system icon now always displays in the lower left corner of the screen. The base point of this coordinate system remains at the point we picked earlier. Before you start working with a new coordinate system, it's a good idea to save it so that it can be restored later. If a user coordinate system is not saved and given a name, it will be overwritten when future changes are made to the UCS. On the Ribbons View tab, click the Named UCS tool on the Coordinates panel. The coordinate system that was just created is shown as unnamed. Naming your coordinate system is essential to being able to restore it later. Click on the name and change it to Front Office. Click OK to close the UCS Manager. There are a number of ways to switch between coordinate systems. In addition to choosing the coordinate system from the UCS icon's right-click menu, the desired coordinate system can also be chosen from the Coordinates panel, as well as from the View cube. With the Front Office UCS current, zoom back to the office space 6090, and on the Ribbons Home tab, click the Rectangle tool and draw a rectangle to see how ortho aligns with the coordinate system's orientation. Alternatively, a drawing's view can be changed so that the current UCS aligns with the screen. On the command line, type Plan and press Enter, and choose Current UCS. Now, drawing and editing can be performed with the drawing oriented to match the current UCS. To restore the drawing to its original world coordinate system, select the UCS icon, right-click, and choose World. Type Plan again, and since the current UCS is the world coordinate system, we can select Current or World, which returns us back to the drawing's original orientation. AutoCAD's UCS feature gives a wide range of tools to control your drawing environment, providing flexibility in working with complicated designs.